Joe Rogan treats COVID-19 with ivermectin but FDA, CDC warn against its use for coronavirus. Comedian Joe Rogan went on social media Wednesday to inform fans he contracted COVID-19 and list the medications he took, including monoclonal antibodies, prednisone and an antiparasitic drug that has recently prompted federal health warnings. "We immediately threw the kitchen sink at it. All kinds of meds," Rogan explained. "Monoclonal antibodies, ivermectin, Z-Pak, prednisone, everything. And I also got an anti-D drip and a vitamin drip." The Food and Drug Administration (DA) and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have urged consumers against the use of ivermectin as a COVID-19 treatment after poison control centers nationwide reported a sharp uptick in people facing serious health effects after taking animal formulations of the drug. The FDA had previously issued concerns over self-medication with ivermectin intended for animals, noting some people might mistakenly believe the drug can substitute for ivermectin intended for humans. People are purchasing various highly concentrated animal ivermectin drug formulations such as pour-on, injectable, paste and drench that are intended for horses, cattle and sheep, and taking these drugs has made some people very sick, the FDA wrote in a letter to veterinarians and others. Even if animal drugs have the same active ingredient as an approved human drug, animal drugs have not been evaluated for safety or effectiveness in humans. Treating human medical conditions with veterinary drugs can be very dangerous, the agency continued. The drug may not work at all, or it could worsen the illness and/or lead to serious, potentially life-threatening health complications. Increasing reports of ivermectin use against COVID-19 also prompted a health advisory from the CDC, which notes the FDA-approved prescription drug is meant to treat certain infections from parasites, and when used as indicated, it's generally safe and well tolerated. Other approved uses include treatment for head lice and skin issues like rosacea. Ivermectin is not authorized or approved by FDA for prevention or treatment of COVID-19, the CDC wrote, noting insufficient data from the National Institutes of Health's COVID-19 treatment guidelines panel. Ivermectin toxicity can result in symptoms like rash, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, neurologic disorders, and potentially severe hepatitis requiring hospitalization, Mississippi health officials recently noted. An overdose on ivermectin can result in seizures, coma and even death, the FDA warns. Rogan said he underwent such treatments for 3 days. "Here we are on Wednesday and I feel great," he explained. "I really only had one bad day. Sunday sucked, but Monday was better, Tuesday felt better than Monday and today, I feel good." He added, "I actually feel pretty good." Rogan has waffled on the necessity of the coronavirus vaccine at various times on his podcast, The Joe Rogan Experience. "I'm not an anti-vax person. In fact, I said I believe they are safe and I encourage many people to take them," Rogan said during an April 2021 episode of the show, for Variety. After receiving backlash, he clarified on a later episode, "I'm not a doctor, I'm a moron, and I'm a cage-fighting commentator who's a dirty stand-up comedian. I'm not a respected source of information even for me."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe